welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my second update for hashtag Partners in Cream Project Pan. This project was created by Steph and DaLin. I'll have their channel in the description box. I'll also have the playlist and the info, as much info as I can about the collaborators on this project in the description box. The project is, I want to say 3 to 5 or maybe 4 to 6 cream items or cream products that you set a goal for. It's rotating, so as soon as you hit your goal in one item, you roll in something else. It's a full year-long project, and I decided to work on 5 items. Wait, did I have 4 or 5? I decided to work on 4 items. I didn't have 5. I had only 4. I'm counting 5 because I have an update. Okay. I have 4 items in this project. The first item was this Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma. I pulled out the stopper. I tried to scrape as much as possible from the sides, and now it's kind of like there's not a whole lot left in there, but every time I pull out the applicator, it's just like dry and flaky everywhere. I've used quite a bit of this guy. I can see the sides all around, so I'm gonna go ahead and call this empty. And then the one that I rolled in its place, I rolled it in last month because I thought I was really close to finishing the first one, but I did get a couple more use out of the Kitten Karma one. So the one that I rolled in last month in Smoky Storm, I haven't used at all, not since I pulled it in last time. The applicator still comes out pretty saturated with product. It's not flaky, it's not acting funny or anything like that. So this is the one that I'm going to be working on next. For this item, this is Kevin Aquan Glass Glow Face Illuminator. When I rolled in this guy, it weighed 55 grams. Last update it was 54.53. Today it's 54.43. Not a lot of usage out of it. I think I used it maybe 4 times, but a little bit goes a really long way. So it's my goal was to use 2 grams of it. I don't know if that's going to be possible at this point unless I start using it daily, or maybe start mixing it with my foundation, not just use it as an illuminator. So I'm still gonna work on it. I do really like it, but I don't know if I'll stop at 53 grams. Seems like quite a long ways to go. So I'm just gonna keep working on it until I don't know. We'll see how it goes by next update. Hopefully I use it a little bit more. For the Nude Sticks Bondi Bay, this is like the nudies all over face color. I've made some really good progress on this guy. I absolutely love it. This is where it is in the applicator. So I've made some really good progress on it. My goal was to use 1 gram of it. When I pulled it in, I don't know, it was 30 grams when I pulled it in. My scale did not weigh in decimals. Last update it was 30.34. Today it weighs 29.77. So my goal was to stop at the 29.34, which I'm really close to. I've definitely used this guy quite a bit. I think in 1 more month I'll definitely hit my goal on it of using 1 gram total. So I'm gonna keep using it for the month. I have like what, I'm at 0.77 until I hit the 0.44. I think I could do it in a month for sure. I do really like it. It blends super easily. The color is just perfect, and I have no complaints about it. I'm gonna keep using this guy. And then the last item that I had is this Kaja like liquid or liquid cream liquid blush, and this is the shade Feisty. My goal was to use this guy 15 times. First update I had used it 3 times. I used it 3 times since then, so I have 9 more uses. Seems like a lot. Kind of is. That's like, if I only use it 3 times a month, I need 3 more months to use it, so I need to start using it a little bit more. I do like I found the perfect brush that works with it, so I just dip that brush in it and then I apply it to my cheeks. I don't have to like pat it with my fingers anymore or anything like that. I do not use this applicator that comes with it. I find it a little bit gimmicky, especially now that I found the perfect brush to use with it. So I do really like it. This guy and this guy, on the days that I'm not wearing any foundation, they just look so nice together. It just, you really don't need a lot, and especially with this guy. So Yeah, I'm still really excited about this project. I'm still really enjoying all of the products that are in here. The only thing that I'm kind of a little bit worried about is when I start using this Stila Glitter and Glow. I found that they're not really my favorite glitter, you know, to use on the eyes. I prefer kind of like maybe a loose glitter, using it with a glitter glue or something like that. But it's okay. I'm gonna see if I can use this guy up. The goal is of course to finish this one, so hopefully I can finish it. I think I can hit goal in my Bondi Bay by next update. The Kevin Kwan Illuminator, I'm not sure. The same with the Kaja, probably not. So there you have it. I hope you guys check the description box for the creators as well as the collaborators. If you enjoyed this update, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.